This happened because the water pump, see, this water pump is completely destroyed. Yeah, everything else is okay, so water pump is completely damaged, and the other belt got destroyed too. Oh, it is in the middle of the road. Replacing the thermostat and the water pump will be the right repair, so that's what I want to do. But if this happened to you, the reason why this happened is because the driver kept the engine running. If you see the coolant is coming from this water pump, don't run the engine anymore. He kept the engine running, and that's the reason why this one got destroyed. Too bad. Well, it's time to replace it with a new one. $500 here. I have a video on it. Check my channel. I have details how to replace it too.